right, hey everyone. Welcome to Addicted Gaming, and today we're just going to be showing you the basics how to download a video from Shotcut and make it an MP4 file for YouTube, for your YouTube channel. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's go ahead and make this a quick video. So first of all, video mode 1080p, 30 FPS. You want to figure out project name, whatever you want to call it, quick project. Then we're going to open a file, upper left, choose your video file, just like that.
What up, everyone? Welcome to...
All right, let's go ahead and pause that down here at the little playlist. So what you want to do to get it all started, we're just going to make a shortened video so it'll download quicker. So let's go ahead and fragment this up real quick. Make it a time. Well, let's just make like a 40-second little clip video. So you click S, split up that video.
Of course,
S again. When you click S, that splits it at playhead to fracture your video. You can remove that at that point. And now we have a quick little 30-second clip.
What up, everyone? Welcome to Addicted MTG. Today we're going to be doing...
How's that for going fast? So click export. You can configure if you want, click advanced if you want, change the resolution aspect ratio before we download it. But over here on the left, there's a stock icon. Scroll down to YouTube. Make sure YouTube is clicked. That's going to turn it to an MP4. You export that file, save it as whatever you want to save it under. And now in the upper right, this is about a 30-second video that's uploading. If it was like half an hour long video, it might take 10-20 minutes to upload. Really depends on your computer speed. And there we have it. Now our video, once you go down to the file, it's an MP4, it's ready to be put onto YouTube. And you know what, that pretty much does it. Very simple. This one was downloaded from my phone. We just did a little split at playhead, cut the video short, and now I can download that onto YouTube. So anyways, guys, make sure to click like and subscribe. Any feedback is awesome. And I'm just doing this for my gamer channel, my unboxing channel, so people can kind of see how I'm using the video editing software.